Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Feminine Station. Hope you guys are doing well and all are safe. So today in my video I am going to talk about this Wadi product which I have purchased from Nykaa, and I bought this all product in the month of January. So I thought of reviewing with you all about this. This is something range which is all from Wadi, and here I have this Wadi shower gel. Next I have this strawberry scrub face wash, and then I have this Wadi elbow foot knee scrub soap, and then here I have Wadi strawberry lip balm. So these are the four products which I tried from Wadi, and I can say that Wadi is like some products. All the products of the Wadis are basically naturally blends. They are all the things are natural ingredients that you can try if you have any kind of skin allergic person, or you don't want to try any cosmetics which have all those kind of stuffs which doesn't suit your skin. You can go with the Wadi, and Wadi have their range in the, I will not say in the cosmetics, but they have their range in the products that are basically good for your skin and skincare routine. So let's talk about the products. Basically, for the first time when I have tried Wadi, I started with this elbow foot scrub soap. This is my second purchase, and talking about this product, many of you have already used this product, I guess, and if you have not yet, then you should try this product. This is Wadi elbow foot knee scrub soap, and talking about the price, you can easily get it at 36 rupee, which is basically very nice price. All the range from the Wadis are comes with a very low price range. The price of the products are very low. So you can see this scrub, the product, you can see this, the soap. There are the scrub beads. This consists of scrub beads in it. It's not opening right now. Yeah. So if I'm going to talk about this, you can see the scrub beads in it. So it's have very natural fragrance in it. The fragrance is too light, it's very natural, and like you will basically find it very useful when you use it. It's help in removing the dead skin from your darker portion, dirt, and easily, as it claims, it removes dirt, dead skin, dead spots, dark spots, and dead skins, and it does so. It does so all the things which it's claimed. So only for 36 rupees you will get this product. And then let's talk about the Wadi strawberry lip balm. There are other varieties of lip balm in it, like other flavors you can, but I choose this Wadi lip balm strawberry. And the thing which I found that it's basically amazing. I have never tried before any lip balm. Uh, I have only used Tender Care from the Oriflame range, and this is my only purchase in the range. That this is something I love to try, and I will buy this product definitely in future also, because this is something have very light fragrance in it. And if I talk about the color, you need just this amount of product, and you can easily apply it on your lips at the night time, during the bedtime, or whenever you want. This have very tinted kind of fragrance, strawberry fragrance, and you can see it has no color in it. It's very soft and it's absorbed very quickly, but it does not leave that it, if it is getting absorbed, but it can stay on your lips for 6 hours at least. So now let's talk about this Vadi scrub face wash. So talking about this scrub face wash, this is natural product from Vadi. So here the formulas of the scrubs are to clean and deepen the skin, and all the formulas in it are basically very nice. So the blends are very nice. You can try this, of course. And if you have those skin, if you are scared that the scrub will harm my skin and all, but this is very natural, it's very soft, and the fragrance of the product is also very nice. It's like strawberry kind of thing, totally the strawberry flavor you can see. So It's cost about 65, but you can easily get it on discount from Nykaa, and this cost about 40 rupees. Just for 40 you are getting a lip balm, which is very good. And now, talking about the shower gel. Basically, I have used the shower gels from the range of Fia Marvels, and after that, Palmolives, which were earlier. Then now, after using from the range of Oriflame, I never tried any of the shower gel, but this was my purchase from Wadi because I want to try this range. So if I'm going to talk about this, how it was, this is really good product. This is natural blend, and it's saffron. It consists of saffron. You can see this is from saffron. Like, if I'm going to talk about the what the products, what is good about this product, it's very. If you are using a little amount of product, you will get lots of foam in it. And other thing is that it has a very mild fragrance. The fragrance is very mild, and it's very refreshing kind of thing. It's like just like a saffron, light saffron smell. And then after that, if I talk about like, does this it dries your skin? If you have very dry skin, then only it will dry up your skin, otherwise it will not dry up your skin. You can go out with this product. And talking about the price of this product, it's 215, and you will get 300 ml of product. This is 3 ml pack. So in the if you are getting 300 ml of product in 215 only, it's quite good, I will say that. And if you want to try out something natural, you must go with the Wadi, because it will not give any irritations to your skin. All the products are very nice to use, and you should must try this product. If you want to go with some range which have basically lower amount, you just want to try the shower gels, or you can choose all this basics product from the Wadi range. So give a try to this range for sure. And yeah, I'm not promoting the Wadi range because you all know I don't promote products. But yeah, I just give the reviews of the product, basically the review which are like genuine review. So yeah, here it's all. I didn't find any of the negative point in all the product. There's no negative point in this product. You can go with this without any doubt. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and stay home, stay safe.